Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is David Morales, and as you guys can see by the start of this video, I'm going to be sharing you guys my tips and tricks on how to take care of your money tree. So you either have a money tree or you're planning on getting one, or if you're just curious on how to take care of a money tree, this is a video. So as you guys can see, my money tree is right in the background. I love her so much. I had her for 2 months, or almost going to be 3 months, and she has grown drastically. As soon as I started to find out how to water her, as soon as I placed her in bright indirect light, she's been doing so good. So without any further ado, let's get started into this video. Also, if you learned something new, or if you guys would like to see more videos like this one, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't to join the plant family. Alrighty, so for light, this plant enjoys bright indirect light. It will appreciate you, it will grow like crazy, and it really does appreciate bright indirect light. Now it can tolerate a little bit of direct light, but if it's not used to it, if you haven't hardened off your plant, make sure you transition it, place it in like a bright and direct light, and then over time you can place it in a little bit of direct morning light or afternoon light, and she'll be doing a-okay. Now this plant can tolerate low light conditions. It would not grow. As a matter of fact, it might lose a little bit of leaves, but it can tolerate low light conditions. Now for watering, it is deep but infrequent watering. In other words, you want to water this plant when it's bone dry, and as soon as it's bone dry, you want to take it outside, or you can bottom water it and make sure it's completely soaked the entire soil. Now make sure there is drainage holes so the water can leave. If not, your plant can get root rot. But yeah, make sure you give it a deep soak of water. Now one of my favorite things that I love to use so much, and it's literally a plant lifesaver, it is this moisture meter. Now I got this one at Amazon. It's like $6 or $7. I have it linked down below. I love this one specifically because it can measure moist, light, and pH levels on the soil. So if you want to go all complex, you can definitely get this thing at Amazon for like I said, $6 or $7. It's really good. It literally tells you when to water it, when not to water it, because sometimes I'd be looking at plants, it's all droopy, and I'm like, oh my god, it looks like you need water, and then as soon as I put it in, I'm like, oh, it's wet. So yeah, if I didn't have this, I would have killed a whole bunch of plants. So it's definitely worth it to invest on a moisture meter. Like I said, this is my favorite one. I had bought one before, but it broke, so I ended up buying this one, and this one has lasted me for such a long time. This is not sponsored. Now fertilizing, I love fertilizing my plants. It's like giving them food, like a dessert, because they grow a lot faster with fertilizer. Now the money tree, you should be fertilizing it every single 2 weeks during the growing season. Now you want to half dilute the liquid fertilizer. You don't want to burn your beautiful plants. Alrighty, now temperature. Now the money tree can tolerate conditions no less than 65 or no more than 75. It can go a little bit over, a little bit under, but you might start seeing some issues. So that is between neutral, 65 to 75 Fahrenheit. Now humidity. So this plant appreciates 50% humidity. Now like I said, if you do not have a humidifier, it's a-okay. You can go, one of the most easiest DIYs you can do that I'm pretty sure you have these tools at your home, is get a watering dish, put some rocks, and place water in the dish. As the water evaporates, it boosts humidity around your money tree plant. Or if you want, you can also order a humidifier. I have invested on one because I have so many calanthias and some plants that really do appreciate humidity. I have bought so many humidifiers back in the day and had so many issues, and I finally have one that I appreciate so much. I don't really use it anymore because I have so many plants with respiration. It literally boosts humidity all by itself. But back in the day when I had a lot of calanthias, I ended up buying this humidifier, and it's really amazing. I'll also make sure to have it linked down below if you guys want to go and check it out. Now propagation. The best way to propagate this plant is stem cuttings. Now if you want to take a little cutting, make sure that it's 10 centimeters through 15 centimeters long. You can propagate it on water or soil. You can also order some root hormone. My personal favorite is this one, Garden Safe Take Roots, and I'll also make sure to have it linked down below. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you learned something new, please let me know by giving a big thumbs up. If you have any other questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any other tips as well, share with us. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before I go, I want to show you guys my money tree. This is my girly. She has been pushing out a lot of new leaves. I love her so much. I do have her in my living room, which gets really bright in the afternoon, and she really does appreciate it. She gets a little bit of direct light, and as you guys can see, she loves it so much. Now I do have to water her because my meter is telling me that she needs water. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.